drinks deep in a hotel lobby, scrolling through the screen on my phone. Saw your name and it hit like lightning. Girl, I should've never let you go. You moved on, got a new life started. I'm still playing back what we were. You look like forever back then. Now I'm stuck in a never-ending hurt. You don't text, you don't call, but I still feel it all. Like your name's tattooed on my soul. Trying to drown it in a need